Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Mechatronic SKMM3252 section 3. So we are going to present our group project, which is to design a robotic system. So for the first part, I am going to pass it to Nadhir Shehab for the explanation.
Okay, for the first part, we will talk about the list of components for our robot project. Okay, can you all see my slide?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, the first component we use is Arduino Uno R3, which is a microcontroller. Arduino is basically the brain of the project. It controls all the system for the robot to pick up the ping pong ball. For Arduino, we make a coding, programming, and insert to Arduino, and it will compute all the process. As you can see from the picture here, we will put our input and it will produce the output as we desire from our coding. The next, we will use DC motor, which is an actuator. DC motor will take the electrical signal and produce the output, which is mechanical. That is an actuator. For motor, we will use for the wheel, to rotate the wheel. So in this project, we will using two DC motor, which will put in front of the robot. So there will two drive wheel of the robot, and the other two will be free play. The third component is L293D H-bridge motor driver, which is an integrated circuit IC. This circuit actually controls the input power for the motor. As we know, for the DC motor, we can control the speed of the rotation by using the voltage. So with this H-bridge motor, we can control the input of the voltage to the motor. It's also known as electronic speed controller. Okay, for the robot parts to take the ping pong ball, we use the micro servo to rotate the arm and to squeeze to take the ball. In this project, we'll be using a three micro servo. Micro servo is an actuator which take the signal input from electrical and produce the output from the rotating gear that will allow to a precise control to the location that we desire. Okay, so to control this robot, we will be using the IR remote. So the robot will need an IR receiver. This infrared sensor will receive transmit IR blast from the IR remote that will translate the coding into the binary form that will compute in the Arduino. Okay, so to power the robots, we'll be using the 1.5 volt batteries, AA batteries. Okay, and for the last component we'll be using is breadboard, which is very convenient to less soldering. We can use just plug and play. Okay, that's all. Okay.
Okay, then for the next for the circuit, here the circuit that we do in Tinkercad. Okay, the board is the Arduino is connected with the three servo to DC motor, and the breadboard. For the component for the DC motor, like Nadhir said, we only use two, which is to turn left or right. We use the mechanism by to turn the left, we slow the left side and higher the RPM for the right side, and the same mechanism for the to turn in right side. Okay, so as we can see here, the hash bridge, circuit connected to the input, which is here is the input 4, which and connected to the digital pin number 4, and the output which is given to the DC motor, and the same for the gear 2, which is connected to the input 2 of the L293D. Okay, then for the servo, you can see the servo is connected. One pin is connected to the digital pin, which is to get the signal, and the pin number 2 is for the power supply, which is here we connected to the positive, which is we get the from the battery, and the last one and the last pin, which is connected to the ground. Okay, I think that's from the circuit.
So next we are going to the coding part. So the coding part is divided into two major parts, which is for the motor and for the servo. So first I will explain about the motor part. So we are using two motors for the movement of the wheels of the at the front part of the wheels. Since the back wheels, the rear wheels are the free play. So for the motor coding, uh, the coding is for motor one. It is the pin input is at pin 3 and 4, while the motor 2 is the pin input is at pin 5 and 10. So for moving clockwise, we will set the pin 1 with high, while pin 2 with low, and vice versa. So with this coding, it will enable the wheels to move backward, forward, and right and left. So I think that's all for the motor part. So I pass the servo part to Muhammad Hilmi.
So for the servo part, the first part is we declare the servo as the servo one, servo two, and servo three, and then we also initialize the port and the pin that will plug in into the Arduino board for the servo, which is port 9, 12, and 13. So moving on to line 56 to 59. There will be three movement for the servo with the declaration of H, P, and I, and set up at the 60 in the coding. So next, for the movement for the servo, there will be three servo in our component. So moving on to line 118. 118. So there will be the first servo. If we will control the movement of the claw by pushing the button the W by the controller. This W is will control the movement for the claw that will pick up the ball. Next, the movement of the arm there will be declared by H and P, but by the controller it will be X, Y, K, and M. X and Y will be the movement of H, the motor servo 2, and the P part, the K and M will read for the servo 3. So it will read about the P movement for the servo 3. So I think that's all for the coding.
Now you can see the full circuit, and when we start the simulation, we can see that the servo is moving and the motor and the rotation of motor also move.
Uh, Next, I will explain the movement mechanism. The movement mechanism of the robot. Okay, the purpose of this robot is to move toward the ping pong ball and pick it up. Okay, firstly, can you see this? Can you see the slide?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this is the initial position of the servo arm. It will be in this static condition if there is no ping-pong ball detected. Okay, next, this is the primary arm. When it start to detect the presence of the ping-pong ball, the primary arm will move downward a bit and to a close position with the ball. Next is the secondary arm will move exactly in front of the ball before pick it up. So if you can see, the position of the primary and secondary arm will bend toward the floor to pick up the ball. Okay, next is the fourth picture.
Haiqal. Hai-
Hello guys,
Okay.
you hear me?
yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. The next step for step 4 is when you see the arm is pointed in front of the ball, the hook will open its finger and it try to connect with a sensor to attach the ball and to grip it to the arm. And next part, 5. And after the hook with the ball, its grip and the arm will move up to lift the ball of the ping pong. And I think that's all for the simulation.
Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.